Hi, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Tolar, Texas, where we're working on our Tolar project, and this is going to be a bunker basement. We talked about it earlier, what we were doing, and now as you can see, we've completed our concrete work for today. What we've done is we poured the slab first for this bunker, and the difference between a bunker basement versus a regular basement means that when we finish, the concrete ceiling is going to be poured. This one's going to be anywhere between 6 to 8 inches thick, so it'll be a bunker. So concrete walls, slab, concrete ceiling. And here, this pours a little bit different is because we normally in Texas, we don't like pouring the slab first because it's the wrong way to do it. We usually like pouring the walls first and then reinforcing the walls with the floor. But this pour is different because we're going to have three pourings. We're going to pour the slab first, which we just finished. And then after we finish pouring the slab, we're going to pour the walls. You can see the walls are extended away. And these walls are not the standard 3, 4 inches thick. These walls are, the slab is going to be at least 6 inches thick because you have the weight of the house sitting on it normally. But since this is a bunker, the house isn't going to be sitting on the basement. The basement is going to be more like on its own, and it's sitting more closer to the inside of the house. So therefore, all of this is going to be graded and covered, and all of this is going to be concrete all the way over to where I'm standing. So therefore, it's totally different. Right where you see the rebar sticking up out of the ground is going to be a safe run. So it'll be one of those really heavy concrete doors, and you can see the basins on the very end of the basin on the of the basement, and those double basin is for our sump pumps. But see, there's two. We want water running efficiently, and since we are going to worry about a lot of water out here, we want to make sure that when we pump these out, we'll be able to put two sump pumps in, and the water will be able to pump out much better and much faster. So you can see these round circles out here, and those are our clean out drains. We put clean out drains in ours. I know no one else does, but we do. We want to always have access to our internal drain system. And we can turn those into sinks if we want to. We can turn them into a drain for an ice maker, a lot of different things. But the main reason is clean out and a 100% access to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go downstairs, and today we're going to show that we just finished pouring this within the last hour and a half. Now it's hard enough that we can walk on it. We actually finished smoothing this concrete about 2.5 hours ago. So now we can walk on it. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go down and I'm going to show you, we're going to be able to make sure that our keyway is going to be smooth enough. And let me tell you what a keyway is. A keyway is an indentation in our concrete. If we pour our slab and it's smooth, there's really nothing to adhere to. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a V shape into the concrete so we can put in what we consider a water stop, a material that's going to be able to go inside the center and just like my hand is sitting, so it's in the middle of the wall. So if water tried to come in, it would hit the stop and then roll around the outside or on the inside, but it wouldn't go through the wall. In order to be able to put that in properly, you want to make sure it's level and you want to make sure it's flat. So I'm going to get in right now because the concrete is still soft enough that I can smooth it out. Tomorrow at my weight, I end up with spending 1 or 2 days with a chipping hammer trying to chip out those areas level. So let's go downstairs and I'll show you how it's done.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.